What's up, guys? On this video I'm going to be showing y'all what I got from the Five Below. Oh, you can't really see the box, but yeah, it's from Five Below. I ordered this. I'm not really sure when I ordered it. But yeah, let's open it up. Yo, I got a pen right now because I don't even know if this is gonna work. I'm gonna break my pen. Oh, scissors. Okay, we have scissors. Okay. What the heck? Hold on. I didn't really think this through. I was rushing to do this. So, just, you know, be a little patient. Okay, I got in there. Okay, I think I got it. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, right off I see the lip balms that I ordered. The Hershey lip balms. Ooh, what is that? Jolly Rancher, the Hershey's bar, Reese's, Jolly Rancher watermelon, icebreaker. I wonder how that ever smells and feels. If it feels like you're eating an icebreaker. Twizzlers, bubble yum, and then looks like the white chocolate. Oh, s'mores Hershey. Cool. Okay, what else? I got another pack of lip balms. 8-pack. The Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Cocoa Puffs, Tricks, Cookie Crisp, Lucky Charms, Honey Nut Cheerios, Frankenberry, ooh, and Count Chocula. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing like a review on all of these lip balms. This is the last pack that I got. Pepsi, Cherry Vanilla, Mountain Dew, Root Beer, Pepsi, Cherry, Mountain Dew. What does that say? Live Wire? I don't drink Mountain Dew, so I don't know what the heck that's supposed to be. Pepsi. Wait. Oh, Pepsi Cherry. And Cherry Vanilla, okay. That Mountain Dew Whiteout and Pepsi Diet. What the heck? Is that one going to be like less sweet? I don't know. Okay, so I also ordered these pants. It's like thermal. Yeah, like a thermal material. I got these to just like wear around the house. And I got them in a size extra large because I like my clothes to be a little bit more baggy. I don't like to wear super tight clothes, you guys, so these will probably fit me pretty good because I got a pair of pants from them before, like pajama pants, and I got them in a medium, and now they do not fit me at all. So I just went up a couple extra sizes up. Okay, and the last thing here, we have, I know what this is, but I want you guys to see it with me. This is like frustrating. I should have, I'm just gonna cut. No, actually. Let's see if I can do it. Sorry if that was loud for you guys. Okay. I got a hand soap in the scent strawberry. I kind of want to see what this smells like now, but let me see. Okay, I smelled it a little bit, and the scent is not that strong, but it's hand soap, so maybe it'll get the job done. But yeah, I'm gonna definitely try this out and let you guys know. what I think about this. But yeah, you guys, that is all of the items that I ordered from, I was about to say Bath and Body Works, oh goodness, that I ordered from Five Below. I'm super excited about these, definitely, the lip balms. Y'all know how I like to review lip balms. But yeah, you guys, this is going to be the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.